How's my little chicken? Oh, yes. We're so cute. We're so comfy and sweet. Such a nice little kitten. Do you need a blankie? Your fur feels a little cold. Are you feeling a little cold? You need a little blankie? Look at his whiskers. You're such a nice kitty. Yes, you are. Where's Dax? Hi, Dax. How's it going, Pumpkin? This is what happens when you're a cat lady, right? Why's your tail wagging like that? Wagging. You okay? Okay, I've got to go do my chores now, which involve cleaning your kitty litter. Okay? Hi. Do you like the new pillows? Do you think it looks like you, Dax? Heck no, hey? Hey, Dax, what's going on with you, sweetie? He wants me to follow him. It's a ritual. I put his food up on the table so Wiley doesn't eat it all. And then I'm supposed to pick him up and put him on the table, right? And this morning I was just like, my workout yesterday, I was a little stiff and so I'm gonna have to buck up and do it. We got a catnip toy and some fur there. What was going on this morning? Wiley, hi, how you doing, honey? How's my baby? And I don't know why we have a light on you. I mean, my phone turned on a flashlight type thing. How you doing, sweetie? You okay, babe? Yeah? He didn't want his dinner. I guess his breakfast. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's 4:15 a.m. in the morning and I'm exhausted. You're so cute this morning, though. Look at this little peekaboo situation going on. Why do I say that? I think it was it the King of Queens? You know. Anyway, he used to say things like that. Yeah, I know I'm talking again. Hi, Dax. Okay. Well, anyways, guys, I have to have coffee so that I can live. It's an elixir. Elixir of the gods.